What was the name of the goddess of fertility and motherhood in ancient Egypt? Isis, Atha, Sekhmet, Bastet. The correct answer is Isis. What are the metal spikes attached to boots for climbing icy mountains called? Ice picks, spatulas, crampons, snow grips. The correct answer is crampons. What is the process of creating metal coins called? Smelting, casting, minting, forging. The correct answer is minting. Which organ produces insulin in the human body? Liver, pancreas, kidneys, gallbladder. The correct answer is pancreas. In Greek mythology, who is the god of the sea? Zeus, Hades, Poseidon, Apollo. The correct answer is Poseidon. Which country is the oldest and the largest of the three Baltic states? Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Finland. The correct answer is Lithuania. Which country in South America has La Paz as its capital? Bolivia, Paraguay, Peru, Colombia. The correct answer is Bolivia. Mwenzi and Shira are part of which famous African mountain? Mount Kenya, Mount Elgon, Mount Meru, Mount Kilimanjaro. The correct answer is Mount Kilimanjaro. Which ancient civilization invented the wheel? Egyptians, Indus Valley, Mesopotamians, Chinese. The correct answer is Mesopotamians. Which organ in the human body uses the most energy? Heart, liver, brain, muscles. The correct answer is brain. What is the longest mountain range on Earth when underwater ranges are included? Himalayas, Andes, Rocky Mountains, Mid-Ocean Ridge. The correct answer is Mid-Ocean Ridge. What ancient structure was built to honor a king's wife? Colosseum, Angkor Wat, Taj Mahal, Machu Picchu. The correct answer is Taj Mahal. What is the main function of red blood cells? Fight infection, carry oxygen, produce hormones, digest nutrients. The correct answer is carry oxygen. Which type of energy is stored in food? Thermal energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy, chemical energy. The correct answer is chemical energy. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Magnetism, friction, gravity, radiation. The correct answer is gravity.